Strategy of the month, February 2026, an incredible systematic trading strategy for the feeder cattle futures market with one of the best long-term equity curves that you've ever seen. Let's start by looking at the system's long-term performance. If we jump into the TradeStation trading platform and we bring up a strategy performance report, the first thing that we'll see is this beautiful upward sloping equity curve with very few drawdowns since 2010. So for the past 16 full calendar years, this equity curve, this cumulative profit line really gives us the confidence that this systematic trading approach for the feeder cattle futures market has made fantastic paper profits, including those realistic costs of slippage and commissions over time. If we look at a performance report, total net profit of a little over $110,000 with an unbelievable profit factor of 22.77. I'm not sure if we have ever shared on this channel a profit factor above 5. So a profit factor of 22.77 is absolutely unbelievable. If we go down to drawdown statistics, intraday peak to valley, max drawdown of a little over $11,000, max drawdown, trade close to trade close of only $4,500. So overall, that seems very reasonable on the way to, again, make a little bit over $110,000 over the past 16 full calendar years. And here are the custom time frame settings that we are using for this feeder cattle 720-minute bar charts. And here are the properties that we are using for this system. You can see that we have included slippage of $45 per contract, commissions of $2.50 per contract, and look inside bar back testing enabled. So if you want to replicate these returns for yourself or automatically trade this system for yourself in a platform like TradeStation or multi-charts, you can do that at your end. Now, in terms of long-term performance, this strategy has had positive performance in 15 of the past 16 full calendar years for an average return of $6,400 per contract. And if we look at returns as a percentage, so a percentage of 2.5 times margin, we can see that this system has performed fairly well over time, profitable in 15 of the past 16 years for an average annual return of 28%. Now, feeder cattle is a relatively large contract. The notional value of one contract of feeder cattle is about $178,000. Some of that is because feeder cattle has been on a real run. Lately, the cattle markets have trended higher, so that notional value has gotten bigger over time. But the good news is that the margin required by the exchange to trade one contract of feeder cattle futures is relatively modest. So it's only about $7,000 per contract. So the feeder cattle market gives you some good bang for the buck. So if you're a new beginner looking to add a system to your portfolio, or you're an experienced trader looking to add a feeder cattle system, the feeder cattle market might be a good place to start. And if we look at a price chart, so a feeder cattle 720-minute bar price chart, we can really get a sense for how this systematic trading approach really works. We can see that this system is buying on a setback in the context of an overall uptrend, and the system is also selling short on a setback in the context of an overall downtrend. Now, how can we see that? We can see here that the market is climbing higher, and then when it sets back, it buys. Same here, when the market is climbing higher and then set back, the system buys. And again, on the short side, when the market is trending lower and then pops higher for a bar, the system will sell short. So it is looking for an optimal entry to either get long or get short. It's looking for that setback to buy or sell feeder cattle futures. We can also see that the system gets out relatively quickly. None of these trades are beyond 1 month. This is kind of a multi-day or multi weak system. And importantly, what we see here is lots of teal bars through time. These teal lines are positive profit trades. There are no red lines on this chart so far. Right now, the system is long here at the highs, looking for momentum to continue higher. We'll find out soon enough if that's a successful trade. But overall, all these teal lines tell us what we already know from this performance report, and that is that this idea of looking to buy upward momentum and sell short downward momentum on setbacks overall is a very profitable approach to trading the feeder cattle futures market. Now let's jump into the fun stuff and look at the full system code logic. There it is. There is the full system code logic written in the EasyLanguage coding language. So again, if you want to replicate these results, if you want to get signals or set up this system to trade automatically, this is what you need. You have the full system code logic behind this systematic trading strategy. There's a description here that tells us how this strategy works. This is a short-term breakout pullback strategy that enters after price makes a new look back high or low and then closes in the opposite direction, signaling immediate rejection. So that was the idea that we picked up on the chart, that when momentum's going higher and we see a setback, that's when the system buys. It is symmetrical for both the selling short and the getting long entry, except there are two of our peak filters here in front of the buying entry and the selling short entry. As a reminder, you can get these same filters that we use to test and build strategies at peakalgo.com. There for an exit is also a simple look back that looks at the position and profits. So positions are exited quickly. Once open, position profit stays positive for 2 consecutive bars. So if your profits are positive here for 2 consecutive bars, the system will exit. That is why we saw that most of these positions are either multi-day or multi-week. The system does not hold its positions for long. But overall, this is a fairly straightforward approach to trading the feeder cattle market. The system looks for a setback in the context of an uptrend or a setback in the context of a downtrend, and then just looks for positive profits to hop out of that profitable trade. And again, we know via that equity curve, we know via all these teal lines that this is a good approach to trading the feeder cattle market over time. So that is it. That is our February 2026 strategy of the month. A fantastic and relatively simple systematic trading approach for the feeder cattle futures market. The strategies that we are building and testing and incubating at Peak Algo are just getting better through time, and I'm genuinely excited to share more of these great strategies with you in 2026. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below so you don't miss out on more great strategy videos every single month from Peak Trading Research. Good luck trading feeder cattle, and we will see you soon.